Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Amma Akali. Today I've come with yet another easy to make recipe, bread pakoda or the bread bhaji. This recipe is made in Vizag street food style. It's very easy to make and the most prepared snack in my house as my children love it a lot. So before starting the recipe, a quick reminder, do give a thumbs up if you like the video. Please share and subscribe my channel. So what are we waiting for? So let's check out the recipe. First, take a mixing bowl. I'm taking 1.5 cup besan as I'm making in more quantity. If you make less, you can just take 1 cup of besan. I've taken 1.5 cup of besan. To that 1/4 cup of rice flour gives a crispiness to the pakoda, and 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, and same 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, salt to taste. So mix all the ingredients and red chili powder. I've taken pinch of baking soda, and you just mix all the ingredients, and then with a whisker mix with the water. Slightly mix it so that you don't form any lumps. Gently mix it. Check out that you don't the lumps are not formed. Don't leave any lumps. The consistency should be like this for the bread pakoda. Now meanwhile my pan is getting hot for deep fry. I'm removing the edges of the bread. With these bread edges also, you can make a nice crispy snack. Another time I will share that recipe also. So you can even grind them to make breadcrumbs. Now cut it into half triangles. So keep ready all the slices. Now take 2 slices, dip it in the batter and deep fry it. It's very simple and very quickly made. As I've told you earlier, the snack is made almost once a week in my house. So while frying, ensure that the oil is on medium flame. You should not brown the bread. Flipping it both sides, nicely fry it. So stay connected to my channel for further easy to make recipes. Upcoming are more snack recipes and rice recipes. As you all know by now, this time I make most of rice recipes, different types of rice recipes. So once they are done in nice golden color, remove to a tissue paper. Then add another batch of them. You remove the extras from the oil. So that the oil doesn't get spoiled. Remove these extras. Then again fry the remaining batch also. I've made a whole lot of bhajis. My son used to have a lot when he used to study in Vizag Narayana College. So that time he used to bring with that mixture. Here we have with the aloo stuffing. Even that is nice, but he likes this one. So a cup of puffed rice. Now I am adding this onions finely chopped, and in goes a small juicy tomato, and some fried peanuts for the crunch. Then green chilies 2 to 3, adjust according to your flavor. If you like spicy, add them all. A cup of lemon juice, not a cup, a slice of lemon juice. Mix it well. Add salt, chili powder. Now I am adding the bhujia save. Added black salt here. It gives a nice chatpata taste. This is the stuffing inside. Mix it well. You can even have this like it tastes nice. Oh, now I'm going to stuff this mixture in this bread bhaji. I think I need more spice, so I am adding more chili powder. My son eats it very spicy because he adds even curd in it. Curd reduces the spice, so he has added a little more chili powder. Now make a slit in between the bhaji and put the stuffing inside. The stuffing. This is for the younger one who doesn't like curd. So next one I'll prepare it with curd. Continue all the batch with the same stuffing process. Apply first, add curd, nicely whisked and creamy, and then add this stuffed mixture. Prepare the whole lot like this, same, continuing by adding curd, then the mixture. It really tastes very good. So if you like this recipe, please definitely try this recipe. If you like it, definitely like it and leave comments in my comment box. And for such more easy to make recipes, please stay connected to my channel and do subscribe my channel, as your support is very much needed. So enjoy this tasty and yummy tea time snack. Most made tea time snack actually in my house is this bread bhaji. It really tastes yummy. So definitely try this and do give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.